Hey family, I'm out here with my corn, and although some of them are very small, it looks like they are past their prime. So I'm gonna come out here and I'm going to pull. Also, we got pests. I'm going to pull the remainder, Japanese beetle. I'm gonna pull the remainder of the corn, and I'm gonna try something I've never done before, which I read that you can do. I'm gonna sow some more seeds for a second planting. um it's early July, so I should have enough heat to get me maybe a 90 day corn harvest. But for the most part, a lot of them are tasseled, they're brown, just about ready to go. It's damp, it's looking good. This one back here, that's dry. I could probably pull that off, but it's not full up in there. But I'll go ahead and take what I can before the bugs get them, and I'll sow a second planting of it. But this is my corn. So far, I think I've already pulled about 10, and I think I have 8 plants altogether, maybe. And I'm gonna go for more. So if any of you have ever did a second planting of corn in the season, let me know. I'm in the southeast right now. It's about, I don't know, 100 degrees, maybe like 94 degrees with a humidity of 70%. So it's a hot one today. So I'm out here just looking. We just got a little short shower, which really didn't do anything. But if you have sown a second crop of corn in one season, let me know how it turned out for you. Again, I think I'm in zone 8A, 8B. I think I have enough time to do another planting. Thanks, fam. Keep gardening.